ดีค่ะแอนนะคะแอนโทเนียพอร์เซล Miss Universe Thailand 2023 นะคะก็มาอยู่กับ Vogue Beauty มาพูดถึง 4 keywords with Antonia Beauty standard is something set by society and not by us. We need to learn to listen to ourselves and our heart and set what is right for us and what we believe in. Beauty is from within and not on our exterior. So set your heart straight and believe in yourself and beauty will always shine through. Body shaming is something that should definitely be stopped, which goes together with beauty standards, which is double standards. You could like one thing and you like another thing. But body shaming should never be a thing because we need to learn to love ourselves and love the people around us and spread kindness all the time. Universe is you. You are the universe and I will take you there. The universe is unlimited with impossible dreams to dare and to reach as much as you can. So let me take you to the universe this November 18th. Antonia Porcel, half Thai, half Danish, here to represent you and all your voices at Miss Universe this year and ready to be your voice, your friend, your companion, and Lanya Mo Go Chakawan. Thank you.